How to create a freeze frame / picture or a still image in Adobe Premiere Pro. Go under to the video that you want to use and select and drag it onto the timeline. Once it's under the timeline, find the sequence or the portion of the clip where you want to freeze the frame. Under the Program or New Sequence window, go up to the bottom right corner. Click plus. And if you don't already have this icon, it's the picture of the camera or export frame. Then drag it down below and click OK. Once you have the portion that you want to export the frame, click Export Frame. Name the picture that you want to save as, and click OK. So now instead of having a video file, you have selected a picture or of a frame. Select the picture, drag it onto your folder bin, and now you have a still image or a freeze frame picture of the video clip selected. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop this video a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel and share the video. And check out more of my videos for free content in 1 minute.